Now we will verify XOR gate truth table. As you can see, for XOR gate we will use 7486 IC, which contains total 4 XOR gates, similarly as we have seen in our OR gate. So here also it contains total 14 pins, and same way OR gate is connected, XOR gate is also connected in the same way. 1, 2 are the input and 3 is the output, and similarly we have total 4 XOR gates. So now coming to this IC here. So here again in our kit we have 2 XOR gates present over here, which are internally connected to this IC. Now we will start verifying the truth table by giving the input and out. So let me connect. So this is input A. Now this is input B, and again output is connected here. I'll connect the output over here. Now I'll switch on the power supply. So see, first condition, both the inputs are 0 0, output will be 0. Here you see both the inputs are 0 and 0, so the output here is 0 because LED is not glowing. Now we will check the second condition, 0 and 1. So when 0 and 1, output will be 1. So this condition is checked. Now we will see 1 0. So now I'll give 1 and 0. So this is 1 0, output is 1. So this condition is also checked. Now we will go for the fourth combination. So I'll give 1 and 1, the output of XOR gate is 0. So now by using this kit we have verified the truth table of XOR gate. So now we will verify the truth table of NAND gate. So for that I have to disconnect it. So before that I will switch off the power supply, and now it will take, so now you see the kit, everything is off. Now I will give input to the NAND gate. So it is connected. As you can see, I have given output over here. Now same like XOR and OR gate, NAND gate has also this is 7400 IC. So this also has total 14 pins and 4 NAND gates connected. So in the kit we have 2 NAND gates. So here let's start the verification of truth table. So first we'll give power supply. So first condition 0 0. See, input is given 0 and 0. So output should be 1. So here you can see LED is glowing, output is 1. So first condition is checked. Now we will give 0 and 1. So here 0 and 1, input is 1. So second condition is checked. Third condition is 1 0. Output is 1. Third condition is also checked. So fourth one is when 1 and 1 input, then output should be 0. So 1 and 1 input, output is 0. So NAND gate is also, the truth table of NAND gate is also verified. So similarly we can verify all the gates present over here by giving inputs and taking output.